and I'm standing in the middle of the rails for the north-south light rail. There's one direction, there's the other one, and this rail is going to go over the north-south light rail through alongside CIMG here. Anyway, this over here is the Oregon Rail Heritage Center. Their biggest, most important thing they have there that's going to be housed there, and I believe is in there now as we speak, is the Oregon found the I call it the Freedom Train, but on my computer, on my memory card here, it's the Christmas train. But they're doing the work to hook up this to the Milwaukee Light Rail, which should end at Selwood. It shouldn't actually even go. This is stupid because rail takes up space that could be taken up and shared by cars if you're to do a streetcar, a street rail car. Anyway, I am talking a bicycle. It's the only time you'll ever hear a bicyclist rail against a thing that you could get, if you were a dishonest bicyclist, you can get a free ride from. But this is, I believe, the light rail thing over wheel tracks here. Heavy rail here, and this is a light rail here. This is probably why it is a little stronger than this deal here. But I believe these people over here are engineering students that are learning civil engineering or whatever. Anyway, so this is the home of the Freedom Train here in Portland, Oregon. This is it. Oregon Rail Heritage Center, where the Freedom Train, or those people who've seen it, is known as the Christmas train now. But it was the Freedom Train in the day, bicentennial. It's been in multiple movies now. They try to make it look older, have it fill in for a train from a long time ago, 100 plus years ago. It's only 70 some odd years old, 74 years young. I believe it came out in 39, so anyway. Probably just bicycles, but I assume they might be civil engineering types, which is Portland is full of them. Too many civil engineering types, in my opinion. Trying to think of stupid ways to waste our money on things like bike trails, which will benefit me. This bridge, which will benefit me, but still, benefit me or not, I can see something as dumb.